Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful donut buns in less than 20 minutes. Okay, let's start. The first thing to do is to measure out your yeast. Half tablespoon of yeast. You can activate your yeast with warm water. You can also add sugar. It's not a problem because this is donut buns. I'm not interested whether it is coming up or not. Like I said, we don't need to waste time and fry this one. So this one is sharp donut. So immediately cover and set aside. Next thing, measure out your flour. You need 250 grams of flour only. Just measure out your 250 grams of flour. Add your 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more, cinnamon, a little pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Yes, use your hand to mix these ingredients thoroughly well. Make sure your hands are clean, and don't forget, you don't keep nails when you're in the kitchen. Instead, you can use gloves, but it's very hard to work with gloves when you're mixing dough. So the next thing to do is to add 1 egg to this. After mixing it, it will be looking like breadcrumbs. Go ahead and add 1 egg. Welcome to Progressive Recipe. If you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. I cook, I bake, I decorate cake, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Please don't forget to join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. In this Yumicious Buns, I'm not adding extra water. Instead, I'll be using warm milk. This is our yeast. You can see it's not really foamed up. You can allow your own when you want the donuts to really dough and foam and come up very well and rise very well. You can allow it to activate and come up before use. But like I said, this is sharp donut. I go in with warm milk. I'm using only milk for this. I'm using warm fresh milk for this. If you don't have milk, please feel free to add little milk powder to your dough, and you go ahead with your warm water. If your dough is sticking, please, you can add extra flour, maybe 1 tablespoon, till you get a very nice dough that is not sticking any longer. To my old subscribers, I appreciate for coming back today to watch this video. This is a lovely video. This is Christmas season. This is festive and holiday season. Please don't allow your family to suffer. Please, not even suffer. Just make your family always happy. At least 2 times in a week. Just make something delicious for them. This is donut buns, and it is very easy. You don't need to wait for it to rise. Like I said, in 20 minutes, this is done. So yeah, I know some of us are scared of making donuts because the time waiting for the dough to rise the first time, the time waiting for it to rise the second time, everything, before you know it's 2 hours, you're not still yet done with that donut. But this one, immediately you're done mixing, go straight to your working table and you start kneading. Knead a little while and you roll it out and you start cutting your donut. Just imagine, very easy. This is the easiest donut ever. If you don't have yeast, no problem, I got your back. Please use half tablespoon of baking powder for me. This donut will still come out pretty good like mine. So go ahead and roll it out. So you can use your donut cutter and start cutting one after the other. If you don't have donut cutter, please use any cover of your milk, any cover you can lay your hands, containers that you can lay your hands on, just to have that round shape. no problem, your donut will still come out pretty. So I'm using my donut cutter, but this donut cutter is cheap. I bought in Nigeria for 700 naira. So you can go to the market and get your own donut cutter. So feel free to roll it out, and you cut out one after the other. Look at that beauty. Look at that. It's looking so pretty already. Before you finish cutting, please start heating your oil, because immediately you finish cutting, straight to the frying. Yeah, you can see that. My own was really foaming up in the oil. I don't know why, but maybe yours. It's not a must. Your own oil might foam. Though this is an old oil, I used it before to fry chin-chin. So I believe that's why it's foaming up. So take your time and fry this donut. Just keep frying till you have that beautiful golden shining brown you are looking for. That is when you will release it out from the oil. If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please feel free to join this lovely family. I have a lot of recipes for you. I have the normal donuts that will rise very well. I have the normal commercial donuts. I have the one you can make in the house. I have a lot of recipes that I know you will love and thank me later. Please go to my channel video and enjoy yourself. I have a lot of cake decoration, cake videos, pastries, small chops. What are you looking for? You are the right place. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Look at that beauty. You can see that is what we are looking for. Wow. So I will fry for a little while again before I take out my donut. This is pretty fine. Wow. Just imagine. This is beautiful. So I know you by now, if you're making this donut in your house, your children are running around, the smell, the fragrance is everywhere, everybody's around you. The donut is just ready. Wow. So enjoy with your family. Thanks. Please don't forget to like this video. Bye.